Hold the device upright, and keep the cap closed. Turn the transparent base in the direction of the arrows until you hear click. Open the cap until it snaps in place fully open. Sit up straight, or stand up. Tilt your head back slightly. Breathe out slowly and fully, away from the inhaler. Place the device in your mouth, and close your lips firmly around the mouthpiece. Close your lips around the mouthpiece, without covering the air vents. Point the device to the back of your throat. Press the dose release button, while taking a slow, deep breath through your mouth. Hold your breath for at least 10 seconds, or as long as you feel comfortable. Breath out slowly, through your mouth or nose. Close the cap. Rinse your mouth out after all doses are complete.